Bye. Here's part 2. I forgot to do part 1. Could not stop recording, so I had to delete and stuff. And yeah, here's the Wabash River. Make sure you go check it out in Wabash or Huntington. Congratulations if you live in Huntington. You're in the same town as I am, or city. Small city. This is where you put the tubes at, like, when you write the tubes, you either get on in or off. Think you get in, since there is like a little slide. Come on, Tank, get a drink. Yeah, make sure you do not fall down there. If you do, you'll probably slip right in. But no, my dog is getting a drink. Uh, uh, well, well, uh, well, Dan TDM gave away what state that you live in and which country. Make sure you go check out Dan TDM's channel. He is such an awesome YouTuber. Make sure you go check him out. Make sure you put on plenty of bug spray on, because I'm getting swarmed. Like I said, there is. Oh yeah, that White House. Some say that people in history used to be like someone that I cannot remember, I forget. But that White House, you cannot enter unless if it's, you know, a school tour. Well, not long, short video, since it's came on, you know, turning off the hydraulic and stuff. Oh, whoops, sorry about that. I walked 1.5 miles. Go check this out. But yeah, you do go under a bridge though, and you do go on wooden bridges, which is up onto the trail. It's like there's this one place that's like curved like that you can build box forts or forts there. I might do a box fort in one of my videos. I don't know. But all I know is that I'm gonna try to do the 24-hour challenge. Gonna have food, water, sleeping bag, a lamp, and bug repellent. And also a mosquito net so mosquitoes don't get in. And maybe a tarp because rain, you know,